As a project manager, it is important for you to understand the role of politics, power, and getting things done in your leadership skills. These factors can have a significant impact on your ability to effectively lead and manage projects and to achieve your goals. One aspect of politics, power, and getting things done is that it is important for project managers to understand the political landscape within the organization. Each organization has its own unique political landscape and different power dynamics and stakeholders who may have competing interests and agendas. As a project manager, it is important for you to be aware of these power dynamics and to navigate them effectively in order to get things done. This may involve building relationships with key stakeholders, advocating for your project and team, and finding ways to aligning your goals and objectives with those of the organization. Another aspect of politics, power, and getting things done is that it is important for the project managers to understand the role of influence. As a project manager, you may not have direct authority over all of the resources and stakeholders involved in your project. In order to get things done, you need to be able to effectively influence and persuade others to support your goals and objectives. This may improve building strong relationships, demonstrating your expertise and credibility, and finding ways to aligning your goals with the interest of the others. In addition to understanding the political landscape and the role of influence, it is also important for project managers to have strong negotiation skills. Projects often involve competing interests and conflicting goals, and it is important for project managers to be able to effectively negotiate and find mutually beneficial solutions. Strong negotiation skills can help project managers to build consensus and support for their project and to navigate complex and challenging situations. Finally, project managers also need to be able to be effectively manage conflicts and navigate difficult situations. This may involve mediating disputes between team members or stakeholders or finding ways to resolve conflicts that are impacting the progress of the project. By effectively managing conflict, project managers can maintain a positive and collaborative work environment and ensure that their projects stay on track and meet their goals. Overall, the role of politics, power, and getting things done is an important aspect of project manager leadership skills. By understanding and effectively navigating these factors, project managers can effectively lead and manage their projects and achieve their goals. See you in the next lecture.